Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is about as excited as I have ever been opening a package because this is from Lisa Lorene Plans, and if you guys know, I am a PR gal for her, and she is amazing. Oh my goodness, right off the bat, I see what I am loving, loving, loving. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? So, I'm a PR gal for Lisa. I can barely talk, I'm so excited. And my code is down below, and she asked if we had any requests for our freebie. So not only do you save 20% when you order from her, from her store using my code, which is TT.Scraps 20, you will get a free sheet. And I designed each and every, not designed, that's wrong. I picked each and every one of these that she has designed in her shop. And together though, we did design this, kind of together. She did more of the designing, but I told her what I really wanted. I said that I wanted two friends doing cheers with coffee because I go to coffee with Lisa every week, and I wanted it to be kind of us doing that. So she has me with the little black hair. This is her little gal named Coco. And then she asked me what I wanted Lisa to look like, and Lisa has short brown hair. So that's what I said, and she came up with this for us. And oh my gosh, this is it. It's called Coffee Date. So if you want a sticker sheet of this, she now sells this in her store on Etsy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh. I almost just want to frame this. I mean, she really made me feel like I was a rock star. Rock star, rock star, rock star. It was so cool. And so this is my sticker sheet. I just thought that the sloth was hilarious because I love critters, as you guys know, and he's doing dishes, which is something I do not like to do, but you know, we all have to do it. And so the sloth is there going, sleeping on the job. And then there's a coffee, of course, because I love it. Knitting, a hedgehog, no need. This represents my daughter. This represents my son, a chicken and a frog. This says coffee is calling and I must go. Here's a little unicorn cleaning, because if you're going to be cleaning, you may as well be a unicorn. Here's a little girl with her dog that looks like Taz, and Happy Mail, because you know I love me some Happy Mail. Grocery shopping, because I have to do that all the time, and it's the Coco gal. And then here's this gal planning, because of course I do my planning. And then there's the save 20% off your next order with TT.Scraps 20. And then of course, highlighted right in the middle is the coffee date with me and Lisa. How cool is that? Now she did send me a little note here, and her name is Lisa too, so let me read this really quick. She bought, when you show them on YouTube, you might mention that they will be retired in July. Okay. I ordered some sets that are the older sets, and they will be retiring, so just so you know. And June 21st through June 23rd, she will be having a major sale. Oh my goodness, 40% off. And there will be freebies. So it's going to be tiered on how much you spend. Holy cow. She even said, thank you, Rockstar. She's so sweet. Okay, so, kits L20 and below. So let me see which ones I ordered that are retiring. Or L80 and below. Oh my goodness. It will be sets L80 and below. So I'm trying to figure out which ones those are. Maybe it's on this. 82, 69, so Woodland Friends. So this one will be retiring. 120. Planner Girl might be retiring. I think that this one is retiring. Did I order a set of that too? I don't even know. I don't know what I ordered. I'm just trying to make sure that I have it so that you guys will know. But if I don't have it exactly right, just know that some of them will be retiring, and you want to make sure that you get them, because she says that they're retiring in July, but her sale is in June. So just go to her sale, and it's just in a few days, and you will be able to get 40% off. But if you put TT.Scraps in the notes, she doesn't say this in here, but I know she will because she did it last time. If you put TT.Scraps in the notes, she will still send you my freebie sheet. So you'll still get this, but you'll get a bigger discount. So just put TT.Scraps in the notes and you'll get this and 40% off during the sale, which is June 21st through 23rd. And she says that there will be a tiered freebies. So just know all that. So here's this that you get free. She also will give you a little sampler. That's really cute. And there's a discount code on that too, but my discount code is bigger, so use that one. And then here is one of the kits. This is called Summer Meadow. And it looks like this is number 82. So this, and I just got the mini kits. I like the 3-sheet kits that come with full boxes and half boxes. And I know her new kits come with the days and the dates. So this must be a newer one that is not retiring. But again, you can still get a discount if you shop anytime with my code, 40% off if you shop on June 21st through 23rd. And then here is the kind of the hodgepodgey sheet that I can use for everything. The weekend, to-dos, planning. It has functionals, quarter boxes, half boxes, all of the things. So I love her mini kits. These work out perfectly for me. So that one is called Summer Meadow. I also have this grocery shop one, which is beautifully foiled in a blue foil. I just think it's really cute. I need one of those on for today. This one is Woodland Friends, and I think I must have, if I don't have it in here, oh wait, I do. So, like I said, her new kits come with the days and the dates, but her older kits, like this one, which is 69, so this one is retiring in July. So her older kits don't come with the days and dates. Even her mini kit, or her mini kits don't come with the days and dates. Her full kit does. So if you want the full kit, that's fine. But for me, the mini kit works perfectly. And oh my gosh, look at those cute critters. So there's that one. And then there's the half boxes. And then instead of the days and dates, you get to-dos, today's little things, which is still handy. But for me, I like the days and dates, so I ordered that separately. So I got this sheet on its own so that I could have that too. Look at this washi. Oh my word, so cute. So this one is called Woodland Friends. This one is retiring. Oh my goodness, this one's called Love Bandit. Oh my gosh. Now I know that this is for Valentine's. I know. But I just thought it was so cute. I wanted to get it. And this is a little bonus, it says. So I don't know if I purchased that as a bonus or if it just came with it. I'm not sure, but it says Love Bandit, aka Thief of Hearts. And wanted for stealing hearts. And this is perfect for me because I am getting a new puppy. Yes, indeed. You've heard it here. Look at this. Weight 76 biscuits, hair golden, height 5 bones, eyes black, age unknown, nose black. A reward is being offered for the capture of the Love Bandit. If captured, you will receive a lifetime of love. Aww. Subject is wanted for questioning in connection with stolen hearts worldwide. Witnesses report the Love Bandit is full of cuteness, energy, and charm. The bandit has been known to charm witnesses for food while secretly stealing their hearts. The subject was last seen wearing a red collar. If you see the bandit, please proceed with caution. The bandit will steal your heart. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to try to remember to put a picture of little Winnie on the end of this. So Winnie is a pocket pit bull. Look at the planning time even. And she is adorable. I can get her in July. July 17th is the first day that I can get her, I think. That's right. I know that's right. What am I talking about? But my husband's been doing the deal, really, so I haven't really talked to anybody about it. But July 17th is when she's supposed to be fully weaned and ready to be released, and I just can't wait. She is so cute. I can't wait to kiss her little nose. I haven't seen her yet because I'm afraid that if I do, I will not be able to let her go. She's just adorable. But I know I sound like I'm like all hyped up over drinking too much coffee. That's not it. I'm hyped up because of this. Did I show you this? These are the first stickers that I've ever had that were made to look like me and my friend. Okay, so anyway, here is another kit that is retiring. This is called Night Owl, and this is number 70. And again, this is the mini kit, and it is just adorable. I love the little owls. So yes, this is the old version with the, look at that washi tape. Oh, so cute. So there's that one. And I don't know if I ordered an extra sheet for that. I did on the ones that they had one, but they didn't all have one. Oh, so those, I'm going to put this with that. Probably because they are retiring. Here's another sheet of foiled ones. These say don't forget, which is nice. And here are nap, sleep in, need sleep, and it's just a sheep sleeping. I thought it was so cute, and it's called Sleep In Sheep. So I thought that was adorable. So there's that single sheet. And then I must have just gotten those. Love Yourself. Okay, Planner Girl, Full Bloom. And so it looks like I just got 2 sheets of Love Yourself, which is really cute. Ouch, you're hurting me, baby. Don't do that. My cat has this little claw on my leg. This says, Loving Yourself is greatest revolution. Stop. No. And has spa, rose serum, lavender water. It's just really nice. This is just very nice. Kind of relaxing and very nice. So there's that one. And then I did order another, oh, that goes on here, I'm assuming. I did order another kit called Full Bloom, and I already have this kit, but I love it, and I'm going to use it soon. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to get another one just because I think it's so pretty. And it's pink and yellow, which I think is just gorgeous. And this one is number 81, so I don't think this one's retiring. Let me see. Nope, I don't think so. So this is one of the newer ones. So it says Live Life in Full Bloom, which I think is good advice. It has these beautiful flowers. And then the washi, which is awfully pretty too. And the day and the dates. And then here's the hodgepodge sheet of all the fun stuff that you need. She really does hit the nail on the head as far as knowing what us planners need. And so then here is the Planner Girl one, which again is absolutely adorable. And this is one of the ones that I have in my sample sheet. You might recognize her because she is in my sample sheet. And she is just so stinking cute. That's adorable. And I love the gray and pink. I am an 80s girl for sure. And this is one of the older ones. This is number 6. So this one will retire in July. So again, shop before then. But if you can, shop 21st through 23rd of June to get 40% off and tiered prizes. So then I ordered the day of the week and date stickers, and then I ordered the extra sheet too. This is how I roll. Isn't that hilarious with washi tape? Here's the little Planner Girl. Just adorable. Boss Babe, Happy Mail, sticker sale. I know when I'm going to have to put that down. And then I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this one is the coffee date. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, Lisa, you outdid yourself. You did a fabulous job. Thank you so much. You really have made me feel like a rock star. I love it very much, and you are the best. I love PRing for you. I hope that I'm getting you lots of business because you really do deserve it. I would not PR for you if I didn't truly believe in your shop and you, and if I didn't love your stickers. So bottom line, you are the rock star, my friend. You are definitely a rock star, and You are so appreciated. So thank you very much. And everybody, run to her shop, get 40% off the 21st through the 23rd, and order the coffee date one. And don't forget to put my name in the notes, TT.Scraps. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.